Hi everyone, I welcome you to our ECS2602 Macroeconomics. I'll be your H Business School lecturer. My name is Sisu Moyo. I'll be taking you through this module. So my email address is sisom@ebs.co.za in small letters. That is what you're going to use to get hold of me. If you have any questions, any queries, or you need any assistance of any kind. So the idea of this video is just to give you a quick go through in terms of how you get to everything. Where is our resources that you're going to be using for this module? So I've opened up your Google Classroom. So this is what you're going to see on your site. It will just show you the modules you're registered for. So in this case, I'm going to pick our ECS2602. And this is what you're going to see. So it will tell you it's your ECS2602. It's online for 2020 semester 2. So this tab, the default tab that you're going to get to, like when you pick your class, is going to be the stream tab. You'll see it is underlined. It is highlighted a bit there with that black line. It shows this is where we are. So on the stream tab, this is where all communication is going to take place. So if anything happens, it will notify you that there's been something posted in case I post anything, but I think I've posted enough for what you're going to use through the module. I gave a brief introduction in terms of just welcoming you guys there. I also gave you my email address. You always have it there. Just scroll down your stream tab. You are going to find it there. I also told you like just a bit of what you can expect in terms of this module. I also mentioned what I expect from you on my side. I saw like we have a purposeful relationship, like in terms of on my side delivering the content, and on your side helping me like to actually assist you with our module. So our classes, our online classes, I did put a link for you here. This link is not going to change. If it changes, I'll just update the link, but the idea is it's going to be the same. So I'm just going to have 1 or 2 sessions with you to find out which one you prefer, Google Meet or Zoom. Then once we establish that, we're going to progress using the same link every week for our class. So I'll just post it on your stream tab here. You just scroll down, you're going to find it to join those classes. So I just mentioned that please check the classwork tab for times, for the time slots where your lessons are actually going to be taking place. So this is the stream tab that we are on. There is a classwork tab, a people and months. We are not really going to use those two. Mainly when you log in, you're going to get your stream tab. The classwork tab, that's where you click the classwork tab, it will give you a page like this. So what's important here on the classwork tab is obviously this one is, I said, called it UNISA important summaries. So you have this on your My UNISA, but we are going to use it a lot. So I added it here as well. There's 2 documents. One is the summary of macroeconomic events, and the other one is a summary of macroeconomic. It's just gives you a chain of events. Okay, so that one, I think it reads summary of macroeconomic models. Not going to open it, but this is that is that one, and then we have another one that is the chain of events. Close that. We have all unit notes. So these are the notes that I'm going to be using, like in terms of your going through the actual videos, the lecture videos that you're going to be watching. So those are the notes. And then we have the Google Meet Zoom timetable. I'm going to open this. I'll just click on that. And okay, so this is just showing us the time allocation for our module, when we are going to be having sessions and what we are going to cover each time. So our session 1, like which is just a brief introduction. This is basically the session. Is supposed to be on a Monday, August the 3rd. That is the time, that's what is showing us. But no, going on, our time slot is going to be the same between 1800, which is 6 p.m. and 7:30. So every Monday, and it's every Monday basically, from like just every Monday going on. We don't skip any Mondays, yeah, until the 11th. And we also have a topic that we're going to be discussing on each particular session that we're going to have online. So in total, there is 9 study units, and we have about 10 what can I say, 10 sessions that we're going to have in total. So the first start unit is basically like not even a start unit, it's just a quick summary and everything. So start unit 2, that's the one that we're going to. So it's basically a start unit each time. At getting on like towards some start units, it might be a bit more taxing. You might need more in order to understand. So, but that is the layout. So that link that I gave you there on the stream, you can also access it here. Okay, going on to our last information that we have on the PACER or units PACER. So this is the most important document, I would say. Not that the others are not important, but this is where you're going to actually assess like the actual videos and materials that you're going to be using. So our all units PACER, I'll click the all units PACER. It says ECS2602 all units PACER. So if I click that, it will open up this tab. Working, okay, there we go. So on our tab here, basically what we have is just again the same thing that you had on the Google Meet, but now with more information. So you'll notice on the one side on my A column over here, I have weeks, and then the next B is going to be dates. C is just letting you know what kind of exercise that is going to be. So if I scroll back up, week, I have week 0, which is just the introduction and an overview of what macroeconomics is about. Then we have the date, there we have whether it's the lecture, is it homework, is it a test. So you will notice that if there is any homework, I'll highlight it differently in terms of the color. If I scroll down to where we have a test, I change the color, and then just a different color, it means I'm trying to point across, put across a point on something. Okay, so if we are here, for example, like this is our lecture, like on week 1, we are, remember, we're supposed to cover unit 1 and unit 2. So unit 1, we have a classroom video there, and unit 2, we have a classroom video over here. So what you do is you are supposed to watch this video before we do the actual class. We can have a lot of issues having our classes, so it's actually more beneficial if you like you have to actually watch these videos before we conduct the class. So you will see the videos, they are always going to be underlined, the ones that we have a link. You can just hover over whatever you want to look at, and you do that, you open the YouTube tab. So most likely you are going to get an error like this the first time you go through. What it means, it will tell you the video is unavailable, it's private. So what is the issue here is the issue is on my YouTube, I'm signed in with my personal account. It's not the EPS email. So I have to change that. Let me try to do that. I don't think I can. I will just go youtube.com. Okay, whatever that is, I'll go to my account. I will sign out. Okay, and I can even switch account. I'll try to switch account. I'll use this account. That's my EPS email account. Okay, so now I'm signed in with my EPS email. I can close this tab and go back again to where we are. So I'll click again, just unit 1, and then try again now. Okay, so now you see the video is going through. So this is your start unit 1 for, let's say, start unit 1, ECS2602. You can just check that in case maybe I made a mistake and uploaded maybe another unit or something. But yeah, you are going to know as we go on to say, is this the right video or not? Okay, so you can get the video. Yeah, that is just what the unit is about. I just give you an overview of whatever you go through. If there's any issues with sound, you let me know. I can try to re-record or give you another video, a set of video, maybe to have a better improved sound. But I'll keep on working on it on my side, yeah, until it is like a standard that you can actually hear and learn something from it. What else besides the classroom videos? So those are the videos. Sometimes the topic is a bit long, so it's split into video 1 and video 2, as you can see there. So that is basically what we have. Again, if you on the PACER, you want to get the link to the classroom, the link is going to be here where it says Zoom or Google Meet link. That's where we are going to actually have the link. I also tell you which study unit it is in terms of UNISA that we are looking at, and I also give you pre-lecture reading. So that means what you are supposed to look at before the next lecture or before we have the Zoom meetup or whenever we're going to have that. Okay, so if you notice for now, your PACER, it looks like this. It has only one tab at the bottom which says lectures. So that is like what I put across at the moment. But as we go on, I will just show you an example of a previous PACER. Okay, like this. You notice that here you actually start having more tabs like to say, okay, revision and exam course, like which will be later on towards revision. These are the semester one videos. Like if you, like in case I talked about, maybe you let me know there's no sound somewhere. I can just maybe take a video and or maybe draw you to that place. The information is still the same. You're still doing the same syllabus. So everything is still the same. Okay, but like, yeah, whatever you might need, like as we go on, I'm going to add tabs so that we separate the actual lectures from revision. And in case maybe you might want something, I don't know what you want, but yeah, there's more videos like from 2019, the exam and revision for 2018 and so on. But to try and minimize those tabs, I think I'm just going to add one more tab later on that will say revision. So in case you actually want to start with your revision, you just come to your lectures and then click on the next tab. Let me just say this will be tab instead of sheet 2, it will be written revision and exam course. So that's about, I think, the workaround of what you do, where you get what. I'm not sure if I missed anything, because the important part is just you signing in on your YouTube with the right account just to be able to watch those videos. If there's any problem with the videos, you let me know. You have my email address. At times, you can even post here on the stream. You can come to the stream. You can comment on maybe if it's an issue with the PACER or an issue with that. I think you can comment somewhere. I don't think I can I comment? Okay, I'm not sure if I can comment, but on your side, you can comment and let me know if you have a question or the case. You can put it up on the stream, you can put it up wherever here, or alternatively, you just send me an email. So an email is usually better because I can see it anytime. The times you post on the stream, I don't get the notification. So yeah, that is, I would say, is a summary, just an introduction to what you guys can expect going forward for our module ECS2602. I'm going to stop my recording now. Thank you.